Thank you for letting us sample this green bagay. Our next candle is none other than Madam Shirley Ricada.
Hi, Ben. Happy birthday. Another one year na po ang dapat ni Lord sa inyo. It is a great opportunity, Ben, na isa ko sa 8 candles na makahatag sa message sa inyo ha. Ang wish lang ako sa inyo ha, Ben, good health and continue pursuing your dreams and God bless you always, Ben, and may God grant your desire as your family.
Our next candle is none other than Madam Krishna Puras.
Hi, Ben. Happy birthday, Abby. Wish you all the best and luck. Ikaw ang bagong mas sweet ba na or dili?
Our next candle is Madam Cheryl Carvajal.
Wala si ate.
So let's proceed. Our next candle
Ano, sa likod?
is Madam Jennifer. Madam Jennifer Piastro.
Bahala sila. Ganito siya kuan. Attire kayo, oh.
Okay. Our next candle is none other than Madam Cheryl Carvajal.
Ate may sabaw. Kaya mag-ibig sa tanan. Isa. Happy birthday, be. So, pinakalit. Ang wish lang na kasi mo na magbinatan ka kanunay. Labi na si mong mama. Kasi mo iso. Ay, sigila dyan na. Tiwasan dyan. May pumawas ka muna yun. Apo kanunay mo. Wala siguro to. Magabi sa lahat to.
Our next candle is Miss Nicole Torion.
Ay.
Happy birthday, Auntie Abby.
Oh, masunog, masunog. Sige, okay na to.
Okay, now let's proceed. Our next candle is Madam Lassie Ann Gloria.
Kaniya, madam. Madam Gyud. Madam Baby. Da. Oh. Gapa kayo.
Okay, our next candle is none other than Madam Azzy Piastro.
Madam Good.
Happy birthday, Abby. May you still have more birthdays to come. And I wish you all the best in your life and your studies.
Cristel Anticamara.
Ang pusod, uy! Na, happy birthday, Auntie Abby. I love you. Na, kiss! Kiss! Kiss!
Okay. Our next panel is Madam Joyce Yasno.
Nungro siya?
Happy birthday, Ate Ave. Stay kind and beautiful as always. More birthdays to come. More blessings.
Okay. Thank you for the message. Our next